Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Sunburn Plus in Heartopia. So you can get this unique plus, the Sunburn Plus, from the sun bath activities that you can do. It at this scorching weather, scorching heat weather. This this weather that marked with the sun with glasses icon like this, and you can look the schedule for this weather at your smartwatch. Just tap on your smartwatch and then just tap on this area at this top of the smartwatch like this, and then in here you can just see the schedule for the weather. And then when you see this icon, it means the scorching heat will be happens at that day. And then for the sunbath locations, you can do this activity at the whale oceans, near the whale oceans over here, at the whale mountain over here, just near the portal to the whale fall canyon like this. You can see it, and at the map it's located on here, this area near the portal. And then you can see the umbrella icon over here. It means you can do the sand path in here in this area. Just click on it to start the sand path. And to unlock the sunburn plus, you need to do this sand path 3 days. And after 3 days, you can just unlock the sunburn plus. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.